In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in New Zealand. We'll be using the New Zealand Police Payments page, which explains how to make your payment through internet banking. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to enter the correct details so your payment can be matched to your infringement notice without delays. Start by going to the NZ Police Payments page. Once you're on the main content of that page, look for the section that explains how to pay by internet banking. Take a moment to read through it carefully because this section outlines the payment method and the information you'll need before you log into your bank. Next, open your banking app or sign in to your bank's website. In the payee search, look for Police Infringement Bureau or NZ Police, listed as Police Infringement Bureau. In many cases, your bank may already have this payee saved in its system, which can make the process quicker and reduce the chance of entering details incorrectly. If you prefer, you can also make a one-off payment manually using the official payment details provided on the NZ Police page. The account name to use is Police Infringement Bureau or New Zealand Police. The account number listed on the page is available there as well, so make sure you copy it exactly as shown when setting up the payment. After that, you'll need to complete the payment references properly. This part is extremely important because these references help identify which ticket your payment belongs to. In the particulars field, enter your notice number. In the code field, enter the vehicle registration number. In the reference field, you can enter your driver license number, although this is optional. Before submitting the payment, read the important notice on the page carefully. This is where the police explain key payment requirements and processing expectations. It's always a good idea to double-check every field before confirming the transfer, especially the account details and the references, because even a small mistake can slow things down. Finally, keep in mind that payments made to the Police Infringement Bureau can take up to 48 hours to process from the time of payment, as long as all the required information has been provided accurately. So if you've just paid and don't see an immediate update, that delay can be normal. And that's it. Once your payment has been submitted with the correct information, you've completed the process of paying your traffic ticket online in New Zealand.